I'm going to review our Philips Hue Lightstrip. We got this about 3 years ago when we put in our backsplash, and it's added a lot of fun and functionality to our home.
Here's a look at our kitchen with the lights off. I'll ask Alexa to turn the lights on, and you'll see how much brighter the countertops are and the backsplash, which really brightens up our kitchen space. My wife loves to cook, so having the additional light over the stove and on the counters when we're getting ready for dinner is a huge benefit. The lights work with both Alexa and Google, but for the purposes of this demo and the touchscreen, we'll use the Google Home Max. So you'll see right now the color is daylight, but we can move to a candlelight ambiance or move it down to chocolate or pumpkin, just depending on the mood or the vibe that you want. I feel like it's a really nice touch in the evenings to go to a blue, whether that's deep sky or azure, and it just sets the tone for your house depending on what you need. You can also use the Philips Hue app on your phone to control the lights and dim like you see here.
So after owning the Philips Hue light for several years, I can say that they've worked really well, they've been reliable, and if you're looking for a similar solution, this might be a great fit.